Good morning. Let me hide that. How do I? Okay, share screen. All right, so it's looking like buys might be in play. Buys might be in play. Maybe, actually. Yeah, sales might actually. I don't know. At this point, my boy, I do not know. I will need to see price come under. Excuse me. I will need to see price come. If we bounce from here, longs might still be in play. If we go under and come back and retest this area, sales might be in play. At this moment, I honestly don't know. So I'm gonna wait and do nothing. I'm gonna do nothing. Today's Thursday, so there's usually some really good volume. There's alert that just went on. What alert is that? Let me turn that. Let me turn that off. That means she almost ready. That means she almost ready, my boy. Should I trade Forex today? Let me see. Oh, we got some bullish momentum right here. Looks like we already missed it though. We already missed the move, my boy. Unless they give us a deep pullback into this zone again. Let's set an alert right there. Looks like they is gonna give us a deep pullback, maybe. Then I might feel comfortable putting in a buy. Other than that, S&P 500, we just wait. I ain't liking what I'm seeing. I don't know if it's a breakout or a fake out. I have no idea. I have no idea. Ugh. So let me show you guys the progress actually. Let me show you I thought I hit this already. What the hell? Hold on 1 second. Off traders. So this is my Alpha funded account. I was doing pretty good on this one. I think I lost my last trade or two. Jesus. So it looks like I won my last 5 trades, and these are some small losses right here. Bunch of small losses. 50 cents, $44, 16 cents. And I wasn't holding my trades long too. So I'm doing pretty good on the Forex side. I went back to Forex. I thought I quit Forex. But we still up on this account. As you can see, I blew the other one. I blew the other account. And this one was up over 100. It's a very small $1,000 account. And then I have this other one with Tradeify. So I purchased another new $50,000 account today. Is that active? Yeah, I should probably try to trade from that one today if I can. I know how to switch accounts though. Let me see. Let me go back and check on this. It looks like it's running. Might be running. Might be running without us. So as you can see, we brought this account from the dead. We were like $300 from blowing the account, and we didn't bring it back. We definitely bring it back right here. These last like 3 weeks have been nice. I lost on Tuesday, got all that back plus some on Wednesday, and the last 2 weeks before that were pretty good. Like this was a profitable week. And this was a profitable week, even though I only took one trade. So I am pushing towards my first 30 days of a green month, one full green month. It's my 3rd week in the green. And so far, this is my 4th week in the green. We'll see what we do today. And I may not trade tomorrow. So this week right here will be my first green month. First green month in 2.5 years. Progress. So I'm not sure if we're going to reverse right here or not. I'm not sure if we're going to reverse right here or not. So we're playing ping pong between these 2 points. We're in a range, and I'm not sure. So I'm not placing any money. No risk. I'm not placing any risk until I have a better idea what's going on. Let me switch it to the candles for y'all. Oh, big doji. Okay. That could be a sign of some money coming in. That could be a sign of some money coming in. And we did not break this high. We didn't break the high on the 15-minute just yet. all the energy that you wasn't looking from your mind. You supposed to get unconditional love from her, but she made you run away from that because you seen all the toxic shit that your mom used to be on. You held her accountable for all the shit that she swept under the rug, that all your siblings looked the other way. You held her accountable for that shit. So that's why you look at her. I would never fuck with my mama like that because she made me feel like I wasn't shit in every possible way you can imagine. And she talked about me to everybody that want to fucking listen and made me feel like I could never come home. I could never ask her for shit. And a lot of people isolate themselves away from their mama because they experience no love from their mama. Then a lot of people try to convince you, you know, you only get one mama. You know, you only got one chance to deal with your mama. You need to learn how to forgive her and live and let go. And when she won't live and let go and she's supposed to be a bigger fucking person, that's your mama, but she still hold grudges towards you. And so it still held you accountable for your shit, but she won't even own up to her shit. So that's why. Childhood trauma be real, y'all. Childhood trauma be real. He said your first hater sometimes is your mama. I can relate to that. You 100% right, in my opinion. I don't think ad trading is for everyone, but I think everyone should be invested in the markets. Yeah, that's true. So this could be some buying power stepping into the market. I'm not sure, bro. I really don't know. When you don't know, don't trade. That's the secret right there. So I'm just scrolling on Instagram a little bit. Checking out some comments and
so me teaching bro how to trade.
gotta control your emotions. Got to control your emotions. Let me see where we are on a 2 hour. What's a 2 hour looking like? 2 hours still looking bullish. Like, wait, I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, 2 hour looking bullish, bro. Looking like we might be pushing back into. Excuse me, I don't know if I got enough sleep, y'all. I'm pushing off maybe 5.5, maybe 6. That's funny how the different time frames look. How you put the resistance right here, or the support right here, and the resistance up here. Then you go to the 15-minute. That's what it look like. Mercy. So is this gonna be a breakout or a fake out? That's what we're trying to figure out. Oh shit! Share this tab instead. What tab was I sharing there? My bad, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out this streaming stuff. I think I was just showing you the wrong screen. That's alright. You forgive me. You forgive me. So we down $19.45. I tried a trade last night. It went against me. I just cut it off quickly. Oh, this might be a breakout. This might be a breakout. This might actually be a breakout. I would need to wait. Yeah, there's some bullish momentum happening right now. But let's delete this and let's see if we can get a pullback. If we can get a pullback, then maybe I'll put a little bit of risk on the table. But I would need to see a pullback from here in order to convince me. Since we're looking at buys, let me turn the greens on. I had to make my own indicators, y'all. Make sure you going into the market, understanding the way that you need to see the market, the way you need to see it. Don't depend on nobody else's signals, no discourse, no nothing. When you understand the market, you will be profitable. And I'm just starting to get there. So, just starting to get there. So, we're going to see if we actually reverse from here or if we're going to break through. Look like it's starting to break through. We want to see uh, what we want to see is this. And we'll put some risk on the table right around here. If we see structure to the upside, of course. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, I don't think I got enough sleep. I keep yawning. Let's check on our investments. Only bought one more stock this week. I didn't even buy a whole share. Only had enough to buy like a half a share. I need some more cash to deploy. Are we getting a doji? That's indecision. Are we going to reverse from here? Or was that just sweeping some liquidity? Did that move right here for the to the downside? Sweep the stop losses that was up here. Just take them people out. It didn't sweep this low. So we pushed the Anthony from here. These next couple candles are going to be vital to see if we continue up or if we start reversing. I am not sure. Because we did reverse right here. Seller step back in right here. So let's definitely step back in right there. It might just be a choppy day. I don't know. I have no idea. Stocks are up. I'm up $66 on my stocks this morning. $14 in cash. Should I deploy the cash? Got some dividends yesterday from GPIQ and GPIX, Goldman Sachs. Oh my God. I gotta make sure I get some sleep this weekend. I will make sure I get some sleep this weekend. Be putting that wear and tear on your body in these markets. I'll be reversing, man. So this might be this the turnaround point where we yeah, I need to see more. I'm not convinced, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. This could just be a double top. Sweeping liquidity before it reverses again. I'm not sure. I am not sure. Yeah, we're pushing. Yeah. It might be this might be a bullish day. Actually, let me go to my wait. Let me go to the daily. Daily give me a little bit more insight. All right, let's delete that. Let's go check out the daily. What the daily doing? Okay, so we've been bullish the last week. We're having a pullback. I don't have my EMAs up. But overall, okay, bullish. Like it's pushing to the upside. Yeah, sort of support right here on the daily. We didn't break that high. Like today might be a bullish day. What was yesterday's candle? Yesterday was a red indecision. That's the way. Let me see. So this is a green candle actually. This is a bullish candle today. Giving us a W. Okay. So we see some support right here on the daily. I have no idea, bro. This could actually rebound. This candle is bullish on the daily. Well, it's the Hakanashi version though. So this could turn bullish on the Hakanashi version, but the actual candle was bullish, and it's still pushing to the upside. We're actually breaking this high right here. This is yesterday's high. So we're breaking yesterday's high. Yeah, this could potentially be a bullish day, but I still need to see what I need to see. I'm leaning towards bullish. I'm leaning towards the wolves, but I still need to see. Did it already give it to me while I was talking? What gave me one? If we can get another one from here, maybe I might risk $50 or something. I might risk a 50. Yeah, we're looking bullish. It's looking bullish. If we can keep the momentum. 10 o'clock Eastern. Is that New York time? I got New York time down here. What do I have? I thought I had New York time. Where my New York time at? Yeah, it's New York. Okay, we good. I don't know if this is a sweep of liquidity or a trend change. That's what I'm really trying to figure out. We finally broke these highs, but I'm not sure if this is just a liquidity sweep and then a reversal or a bullish trend change. That's not giving me enough information. But we do see a breakout. We just don't know if it's a fake out or not. If this closed a doji, yeah, close the doji. Sign of a reversal, potentially. She's still looking bullish, though. Very, very interesting. Yeah, we might be pushing to the upside. I'm slightly considering open a position. If it even come back, it might not even come back. The thing might just run. It might not even come back. You guys ever had these golden kiwis? I highly recommend them. I got these from oh my god, this thing's soft too. I got it from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. Actually, I think I might wait until I see some more bullish structure on the 3 minute. I would need to see some more bullish structure. I need to see it come down, create a support before reversing up to the upside. Okay. I believe that what are we doing? It's kind of giving me what I think it's giving me. What that 15 looking like? 15 still looking bullish. 15 still looking bullish. All right, I think I might jump in, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think there's still momentum to be gained. I'm gonna do a small buy position because I really don't trust. I don't know. I ain't necessarily convinced. I'm gonna put stop loss right here. Actually, I'll put it right there. If I can get a limit order. I doubt they come back and pick me up though. That thing might run, bro. That thing might run. So we got two contracts. Limit order down here. They kind of already hit it and reversed. So we might be done for. I don't know. We might miss out. We just might miss out. Unless they come back and take us in. I wouldn't mind that. Come back, pick the boy up. We'll see. Our one the two got messed up. Let me fix the 1 to 2. We have 1.66. All right, that's 1 to 2 right there. Now we wait. Now we wait. But we don't know. We don't know. Or maybe I should move. Nah. I ain't moving nothing. I'm gonna take a scared man entry. A very cautious entry. I probably should have just put one contract. But we're risking less than $100. If this is an actual bullish breakout, because we don't know yet. Looks like the bull still could be in control though. These golden kiwis are fire, bro. These ain't your childhood green kiwis. Golden. So if we're getting dojis on 3 minute, that means we're getting consolidation on the 1. And when there's consolidation, prepare for the manipulation before the move. So we might still get tagged in. Hopefully we won't get tagged because that could happen too. Should I move it up 1 pip? Oh, there you go. Got a small retracement. We are in the trade, y'all. We are in the trade. Let me see something. Is this a fake out? Actually, I should have did one. Yeah, I should have did one contract. Maybe I should take one contract off. Should I take one contract off? Support right here? Maybe. I don't know, my boy. Yeah, I'm thinking of taking one contract off. Actually, I don't even know how to take partials off, bro. That's the thing about this thing too, because I'm trading, and whenever I try to take partials off, I usually just close the whole trade. So I don't know. Gonna kick us out. What we gonna do? Find support right there. There we go. Should have put it down there, huh? Ah, mercy. This money game. Is this the support we're looking for? Is this the support we're looking for? Did we get a flat? Because if we got a flat, we might be in bed. Oh, no, my boy. We're going to need a doji after this in order to... yeah, we're going to need a doji after this. We might be kicked out. I probably should have just did one contract. Yeah, I think we're about to get kicked out this trade. Yeah, we probably about to get kicked out this trade. Yeah, it's a strong retracement. All right, we got kicked out the trade. See? Breakouts versus fake outs. This might be a reversal, y'all. This might be a reversal. That didn't work. Yeah, I should have just did one contract. So we down $80 for the day so far. I need to wait until I see more conviction. I need to wait until I see more evidence of what the hell's going on. That was a gamble right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was a gamble. It was slightly calculated. Slightly. Because this may not be a fake. This may not be a breakout at all. This may be actually a fake out. Let me go back to the 2 hour. 2 hour bullish, bro. 2 hour are still bullish like a motherfucker. Maybe that just was the 15 minutes still bullish, although it is a doji. And we're having some strong pullback. We might be pulling back to here. What did I say I wanted? Yeah, I can't be trading off the 3 minute the 3 minute structure. That was my fault. 3 minute structure ain't strong enough. I can't be trading off the 3 minute zones. So preferably, if we see price, yeah, that's a little bit more conviction. Maybe. So we starting to push on the 15. Let me lock in and stop trying to create content for y'all. Creating content, trying to create content is what help make people lose. Let me just lock in. Let me be patient. We created a new high. So that's 1, 2. Okay, we created a new high, which is a good sign. All right, let me try something. Let me try to find some. All right, so I found some royalty music. All right. If we can get a reversal off of this, maybe we could try to get that high. Yeah, buyers stepping in down here. The buyers feel comfortable stepping in down there. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I was too low. I was too locked in. Necessarily true. Closing price is the only thing that matters. Our time frames are more important. Now there could be some support right here too. We could find support right here. Yeah, I didn't even see a pivot. Did I see a personal buy signals? I was kind of winging it, thinking that there was going to hold right here. That's not strong. That's not a strong enough zone to hold. That's why I just broke right through it. That's the determining factor. I guess there is a little support. I ain't convinced you. Yeah. Oh no, I ain't finished yet. I ain't finished yet. I used to rap, y'all. I ain't liking what I see. I don't know. We just wait, man. We just wait. I don't have a conviction to place any. Okay, look like we are pushing towards our zone. Maybe. This 3 minute is strongly bearish right now. Let's go back. I usually only stick with the. This could be a reversal, y'all. This could be 2 hour candle looking like it might be red. 2. Yeah. I think we might be pushing to the downside. Yeah. I think we might be pushing to the downside. See if we get a little bit more conviction. I might jump in. It's the determining factor right here. We're gonna see. I'm gonna be patient. Dollars. But we up for the last. That's a strong 3 minute candle, boy. That's a strong 3 minute candle. That's a strong 3 minute candle. Kind of bearish. Well, what trade did I take yesterday? I think it was a. I don't even remember, bro. You gotta have short-term memory loss when it comes to your trades, right? It helps to have short-term memory loss with your trades. Forget they even happen. No matter if you won or lost, it don't matter. The only thing that matters is what is the data of the moment giving you? Not a breakout, but more of a fake out. And of course, it faked me out, which I kind of wasn't surprised. I think I put that trade on just for the sake of putting the trade on for the video, which is why I was saying I should have used one contract because I mean I already knew that wasn't going to work. Which to me signals we're all getting there. Institutional buyer, somebody with more. That's the 15 minute. Let me go back to the 3 minute. Yeah, I ain't sure, bro. Yeah, I ain't sure. Up to the other side. This for the buyer stepping in. Yeah, part of me want to sell to this resistance zone right here. The 2 hour, I don't see anything we could bounce off of. The EMA, the zone right here. Support right here. Resistance right here. resistance right here. Breakthrough, sweep of liquidity, reverse, and we might bounce down here. I don't know. That might be my only trade for the day. Usually some really good volume on Thursdays. I might be trying to force a trade, and we don't want to force a trade. We don't want to force a trade. Okay. Still somewhat looking bullish on the 15-minute. This where I lost some money last night, I think. I think I gained some money, and then I jumped back in and then lost it. Mercy. So we're down 100 for the day, actually, because I lost like $29 yesterday, last night. Can't win them all, can you? I ain't a little bitter. So are we making, what are we doing? Maybe I should delete this. Yeah, if I don't support it, this one down here. That's what I said originally, bro. Price come down here, I was going to get in. All right, so let's see if we get some more bullish momentum. Yeah, I just gotta watch the. Yeah, that was probably my entry right there. That should have been my entry. We missed it, y'all. We missed it, but we're gonna try to see if we can get another entry. Yeah, it's still bullish. It looked like it's still bullish now. Yeah, they reversed that just to sweep the liquidity up here. Looks like this move to the downside was to sweep this liquidity, then reverse. Well, this definitely swept all this liquidity. For anybody that has stock, reversed, then reversed. My original, the original zone that I drew this morning, this one out here, this is where the buyer stepped in. This is where we should have placed a buy. That was the more liquidity kicked us off first. We was too narrowed in on the 3-minute. Like it's pushing back up to the upside. It's 15-minute. With the 15-minute, yep. Yeah, so it made structure right here. Might be able to get in. Let me see. Yeah, that's a huge rejection, and it's about to close green. Closing price is the only thing that matters. Closing price is the only fucking thing that matters. So down here was the perfect entry. We might be breaking this high and pushing up to the upside right now. That's what I'm thinking. Might come back down, fill one of these gaps, maybe. All right, let's place a down, so we can't do too much. Yeah, that thing running. Yeah, I can't chase it. I was thinking about putting the entry right here towards the zone. Oh, it may come. Let that go. I should have put a safe entry down. I should have put an entry down here. This is where the buyers was down here. Buyer stepped in right here. So they ain't coming back for you. What you talking about, Will? They might be coming back for you, my boy. Mercy. That's what I'm thinking. I don't think the thing coming back for us. I'm conflicted, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm kind of conflicted. Like, it's easier to place trades when you can actually see the clear trend. As we see, the daily was trending, but the daily didn't break no new highs either. Actually, this might be it. Well, this is breaking yesterday's high. This officially broke yesterday's high. Yeah, today's still looking bearish and bullish that way. We gonna break. Hmm. I'm conflicted, y'all. This is jumping straight in again and lose money. Yeah, London session was probably a better move during London session. Not necessarily. I missed my buy opportunity. They be iffy sometimes because they could shoot way past it, and your trade idea could still be valid. I'm still seeing some support right there. Came down. Power. I'm convinced. Few minutes look good though. Still looks bullish. It's too. It's too indecisive. Yeah, I can't. Cancel project order. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel this order. What does this candle do? Why we didn't get a pivot right here, bro? Oh, that's the other one. Let me call myself. Oh man. I probably should do some trying to be patient. I'm still seeing bullish momentum like that way though. There's no huge volume in the market right now. Just shakeouts and fake outs, man. Shakeouts and fake outs. So far, the real move has not happened. I'm not convinced of what's going on or where the market could be pressure. This looks like they might be. We're still above my buys is green sometimes. It's the gray area. It was choppy around. I think I tried to take a reversal right here. I'm not sure. That's what I noticed last night before I went to sleep. Just so I could peek at the market. It looks like buys are still in play. Of course, around what 7 a.m. This is probably the best buy opportunity. Yeah, they gave us a low volume right there, and it quickly died. I forgot what these signals are. At least I'm showing you. Shit. But I think this is a signal from my indicators. I probably could have jumped in right there. I was at 7:45. No, what time was that? The time is off. I don't know. Green, how can I see flat? How can I green? Yeah, I need to see a flat candle, brother. I need more conviction. I do not know. I'm gonna take the daily off. So you got two indecisions in a row. Then three indecisions in a row. Green doji was still on. That might be the whales just positioning themselves. Institutional order setting up. I don't know. Then it's kind of giving us a double top right here too at the same time. So I'm not sure that was that buy that we missed. We price did come back down. Yeah, we definitely be in profit already. Oh, it's time to get back in bed. Shit, man. I don't know. Tomorrow might be actually a better setup. I'm not liking what I see too much right now. I'm just seeing a bunch of chop, man. I do see bullish momentum a little bit, but I see indecision. Yeah, this might be. Ah, part of me want to get in on a buy. I probably with the last manipulation right here. But then putting your stop loss way down here, bro, that's a huge stop loss. That's a huge stop loss. That's all I was thinking about this idea. That thing explode to the upside from here. Bullish momentum. Let me see. Let me see. Let me get rid of everything, bro. Let me start from scratch. Let me start from scratch. Or here. So see support here. Same general area. What the fuck going on, y'all? What are we doing? Look like a head and shoulders. Look like a reversal. Yeah, this is the trade we missed right here. We should have placed an entry after it started reversing from here. That's why you can't spend too much mental capital because our real opportunity was right here. We would be deep in profit right now. How many pips was this? Let me see how many. Even with a late entry, right? Yeah. That's already 77. Mercy, Lord, mercy. Yeah, that's a 1 to 3 right there. Mercy, that quick. I probably would have been done for the day. I wouldn't want nothing else. I wouldn't want nothing else. I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna stop one second. Shit, boy, these lines, boy, they don't be cooperating sometimes. Okay, that's still even a two. I had to cut it tight. That still could have been a two though. That still was an easy two. Yeah, I fucked this one up. I fucked this one up. I fucked. That's all. The price gonna reverse from here and go back to it. Try and post some content. Uh, shit, and call it a Thursday. Call it a damn Thursday. All right, so what I'm about to is reversing right here. Finding support right here, potentially. Could this be an entry? Should this be an entry? I don't know. You got the risk. Leave it alone. I'm about to log into my bank account. Actually, I want to see something. We're not going to share this tab so y'all can still see the charts. Which tabs you wanna. So we lost stocks. We bought a new account yesterday. I switch accounts because I want to trade from that new account. Because my other account I was down. I'm bringing it back. Yep, that was our entry right there. Should it still be our entry? Should we still get in? All right, this might be my last try right here. Looks like that zone is holding right here. All right, so we got an entry right here. Looks like we found some support right here from the zone right here. If we can come back and tap me in, um, it's high. I'm done for the day. And I usually don't try to. Yeah, we missed our entry. Our entry was down here. Shoulders. Yeah, we probably missed our entry. Turn that 40 into 80. Yeah, so we. Um, I had it on one, but it was giving me too many damn signals. Yeah, too many signals on number one. Although it is more accurate though. I might switch it back to two. Two is pushing from there too. Damn, we missed that. We missed that. I probably should have just jumped in where that's the thing. You don't want to chase these things. Even if it run. My bad, y'all. I be going to bed late, man. Then I be getting up early. It's a bad combination. Bad combination. make quality decisions. Oh my god, that thing running without us, y'all. I said today was a Bears day, man. I said today was that I didn't need to. I should have found a 15-minute zone to jump in on instead of the 3-minute zone. That's what fucked me up. Because I saw this zone happening too. It was catching some type of support right here. Just a little bit. Probably like $20, $30 or something. Depending on how many lots you use. I mean contracts. So we'll see if it reverses here. I don't even know if I want to keep this anymore because they didn't give us any comeback for us. But this was the perfect entry right here. Right here. I fucked be doing this shit in my 60s, bro. Probably not this time frame, but I could see myself trading in my 60s for sure. This is the wealth vehicle. My stocks, stocks look like it's a green day on stocks as well. Actually, I'm just gonna do $21. Just 21. Trading is for like job income. It's a builder. Make sure y'all buying stocks every single month, every single paycheck. Make sure y'all stacking them assets. All right. So we enter 21. I'll be piecing it up today. 21 plus. Five or six, four. I could buy another share of UTG. That's what I might do. I prefer to wait till it go down a little bit. Like it made support to produce a positive trade. We got 5 hours and 56 minutes until 5 hours and 56 minutes. Put an update every five. Yeah, we missed the entry right here. I could have put a should have used one contract right here. Keep stacking. There's that grow. I couldn't have said it any better, bro. Couldn't have said it any better.
Yeah, at this point, I can't do anything without thinking I'm getting fucking brainwashed. I wake up, I look at my phone, brainwashed. I'm scrolling TikTok,
Brainwashed.
I'm getting fucking feel like getting psyoped. If I'm using toothpaste, I'm getting psyoped. Okay, fine, I drink water. But did I filter it? Okay, if I filtered it, but was the filter legit? Definitely not drinking out of a plastic bottle. And I tried to get a coffee. I'm waiting to get my coffee poisonous. Is it actually
Mm. Even the late entry would have been nice, man. I probably should have just got in when I seen it running right here. Look, you still could have got something. Oh, it's running. All right, so now support, because it's gonna come back and retrace at some point. Listen now. Let's look at the 15-minute for a second. Oh my god, perfect, bro. Perfect bullish. So yeah, we still bullish. You just gotta find a good entry now. Um, we got 5 hours, man. I'm not gonna be on here for 5 hours, but yeah, I don't want to make this live 5 hours. Let's try to see. Okay, we're breaking highs. Now we're looking for a pullback. Pullback, man. I screwed up that first entry. I think I was gambling on that first 3-minute entry. I shouldn't have taken that. I should have found the 15-minute zone, which I did initially, but then I was too locked in. Mercy. I ain't ran what I. Yeah, we fucked off 2 entries, y'all. We fucked off 2 entries, man. That's cool though. Mm, mm. Also, now that we know that the buyers are officially committed to the upside, we're just looking for a pullback. That's all, right? So we got a slope from the cloud. Cloud is sloping to the upside now. First, it was just flat, bro. That's the thing about it. It was just flat. But yeah, I'll try to take one up here. Actually, this one probably would have worked. I just didn't have a big enough stop loss. Now that we're looking at 15 minutes, that trade would have worked. We got hit though. Yeah, my stop loss got swept. It got ran. It got ran and then it reversed. That's what happened. So right here wasn't a bad idea. I just should have put my stop loss under here or under this one, which would have given me a huge. That's the only thing. Your stock's got to be fairly tight if you want a good risk to reward. Yeah, I was too narrowed in. I was too narrowed in. Yeah, yeah. My stop should have been right here or a little bit under. Or I should have just waited for a pullback. This was the pullback, a deeper pullback. It was stalling right here, but not enough conviction for a deeper pullback, and they actually did. Hmm. right, let me go back to the 15 minute. Let's try to find a 15 minute zone to trade from. We missed we missed one for sure. Yeah, we missed this zone right here too. We got wicked out. We can't break down to this zone and then burst. So we wait, man. Wait. We gotta wait for something more meaningful because we're already down. So I'm just scrolling.
Leave about 11:30.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we higher highs. Create some higher highs. Breaking. They ain't running, y'all. We probably should have done the 3 minute. Minute injury. We tried that once already. That thing fucking running, bruh. Oh my god. That last entry, so I put pushing right here. I was looking for painful. So it's a little painful. It's okay. It's a little painful. So then we could put a little bit, put some money on. We could put some risk on the table. But I need a deep pullback though. A 15-minute pullback, preferably. That'll make me feel better. Cause your ass got to wait. Okay, running. Oh man, yeah, this zone was the perfect entry. We would have had it. That's like 100 pips right there. Oh my god. Yeah, this was a zone right here too. Like this zone could have caused the reverse, so which it did, but it bounced back. The zone did call the reversal. Reversal right here under the EMA. Broke the EMA, bounced support, and then skyrocket. We're trying to see if we can get a good entry though. So the hardest part is finding the direction for most beginner traders. But once you can find the direction, then finding a good entry challenge, your next challenge. You can still know the direction and still get the trade wrong, as you see we did earlier on our first entry. Direction correctly, entry horrible. Yeah, ain't never not in position. Okay. Not the best content today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. This the entry we miss right here. We miss. Yeah, I forced the first entry. I forced the first entry. It's good. I'm going to push to the market. Or I probably should wait for a red day. That's what I probably should do. We're green today. Actually, nah, UTG is what's going to pull. Just bought an almost another share of UTG. Now we're officially at 35 shares. All right. Yeah, I fucked up 2 hours. Then I do another support right here, and I called it before. So I'm looking for a deep pullback. I'm looking for a deep pullback with, and maybe we can hold this structure. No red candles. No opportunity. You got maybe 2 hours into the trading zone. We missed 2 entries. I forced 1 entry, and that's what fucked me up. I forced 1 entry, and that's what fucked me up. I should have got in down here. If I would have just been patient to wait for this one, this the one rejecting off of this would have gave me more confidence to see. But I had already spent some mental and physical capital. That's what fucked me up. That's what fucked me up. But then you start doubting yourself. When you place trades that you're not supposed to, you start doubting yourself on the trades that actually come. So we got another share. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Real trader, no guru. Real trader, no guru. Just an average average retail trader who's finally starting to become profitable. Of hell, okay? 2.5 years of hell. Back that other one. So we're down a little bit. I was close to blowing it, but yeah, these last 2 weeks ain't too bad. The last 3 weeks actually. Was that 4 weeks? Yeah, last 4 weeks actually was pretty good. Last 4 weeks is pretty good. All this is trash up here. I don't don't pay attention like the last month, but these weeks. This week was green. This week was green, even though I only took 1 trade. That week was still green. And then the last 2 weeks right here have been amazing. Wednesday and Thursday of last week was amazing. Monday, couple trades actually. I was in drawdown like for shit like 4 hours. Price just chopping back and forth, chopping back and forth. It didn't kick me out on that trade on that first gamble, and then the like the $30 I lost last night trying to test some stuff. Actually, this week it's looking like it might be break even. I'm not sure. Let's run the numbers. Hold on, let me check on this 15-minute chart real fast. No pullback at all. We still wait on that. But let me pull out the old handy dandy calculator. Oh, I can't do that. Hold on. So let me add up all the green. 297. 297 minus 231. Looks like we still up $74. We up $74 in profit trade if we take another trade today. And then this week we lost $80. I lost $30 last night, which puts us up 74.50 for this in this week profitable. This will make my first green month. First green month. Huge milestone in 2.5 years. All right. Looks like we stalling out. Prices stalling. But we are starting to slope though. I like the EMA slope. Okay, we still pushing. We're still pushing. Yeah, we're just waiting on we're waiting on a pullback. So we're waiting on a solid pullback, so that we can get back into the upside. Because everybody see that the price is going up now. Ray Charles could see that the price is going around. We didn't find a good entry. I was too distracted on the fucking 3-minute. The 3-minute is my entry, but you're supposed to use like the 15-minute for structure. I used the 15-minute and the 2-hour for structure and the 3-minute for entries only. But I didn't find a good enough structure from the 15-minute to place the entry. But we're still up for the week. We're still up for the week slightly. If we can pull off another trade, but I'm waiting for a pullback. It just keep running. I'm not gonna chase it. Yeah, I just seen that too many times where you trace the breakout and then they reverse on you. When you should have just waited for the reversal and then the continuation. Mercy. OVP and that was $15. Today we have $15. Okay, just for the stock. Interesting. I want to buy some more XLP too. XLP is a good consumer stock, and Walmart, Costco, and shit, Procter and Gamble. I used to own Procter and Gamble as an individual stock. I don't buy individual stocks anymore. Just focus on ETFs. The easier way to invest in stocks. Some are passive, no human hands touch them, and some are active. They're actually ran by a fund manager and a team. But ETFs, the easiest way to invest in stocks. ETF and down. Got time for none of it. I just want to track the dividends and redeploy. Is this a retracement right here? This might be, I don't know. I'll actually come back down here. If I come back down here, this is our entry. Because this one, we missed this one. Price come back down here, that's my entry. I will feel comfortable putting some risk on the table for here. Try to risk what, like $80, maybe $100. Could we up 74.50? We just found out we're still up for the week. So I wouldn't mind risking something, but we got to be patient. Got to look 10 minutes until this candle close, and 5 hours until the market close. We have time. We have time on our side. Thursday is very good volume. Thursdays are usually some good volume. We just gotta wait. People fail. Because force the market, you want the market to do instead of waiting on confirmations. And we did not wait on the confirmation for that first entry. The entry was horrible. And you gotta have both of those right. You gotta have the direction right, and you gotta have a good enough entry that you can survive the pullback. Let me drop the music. Yeah, I probably should pull up until this pullback happen. But I'm gonna wait for it though. Actually, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back. What's good? Nobody watching, but it's all good. Probably ain't nobody watching this shit. Mercy, Lord. Yeah, no viewers. Looking for a pullback. No bearish momentum in our favor right now. The bulls are just taking that good profit and running with it. Somebody gonna take profit at some point. They're gonna have to take profit. They got to nip something out in our favor. We getting a doji. We getting a doji, y'all. We getting a 15-minute doji. This might be price slowing down. This might be price slowing down in our favor. We just gonna bundle up and wait. You dig? All right, we bought another asset. I think I had 34 shares on UTG. I don't know if I bought a whole share because a whole share is $40.32. I think I put in 35. Bought a 0.87. Yeah, UTG is a good one. I like that. I really need more shares of SCHG. That's the growth. I like buying on red days though. Like when the market is down. Market is so today I'm up 6%. No, that's the open P&L. 0.73%, $101. Okay, so we're seeing some bullish action a little bit. I want to see some more bullish action. I want to see a couple red candles. I would like for price to come back down into the zone potentially before we put any more risk on the table. Then we scale down to the 3-minute. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Price come back down to this, shake some people out before it go back up. That's what I would like to see. So waiting. Shit. Hmm. So it looks like we could be making a double top. Could this be a double top for a reversal, or are we gonna keep pushing? We're looking for some type of pullback. I don't want down here was the correct one. If we would have got in instantly when we called it, it wouldn't have been no second guessing. Because the price clearly ran in our direction. Damn, price clearly ran in our direction. But hey, fucking you do. In this support zone, I'm not confident in that to jump in right here and put my stop loss under that. Nah, I'm not confident in that, bro. I'm confident in it. Confident in this all right there. Maybe price come back down here before I get interested. Got about 2 hours. Trade. Gotta make it here in about 2 hours. So we wait. Wait for that bearish so that we can get a buy signal. Yeah, we missed 2 entries, man. That sucks, bro. That sucks. But that's the game, man. That's the game. That's the game you gotta play. If you want this money, that be. Like I say, because it can. Because it can. That's the game you gotta play. If you want this money like a savior. Because it can. Yeah, because it can. All right. Yeah, it should just keep pushing. I can't chase it. I need a solid entry, bro. I need a solid entry. I need a solid entry. Hmm. I got to figure out how I could. Yeah, let me see how I can. I don't want to trade from that account. I want to take my next trade on this account. Let me try to figure out how to do that. I don't know how to do that. This is a new account I bought. I prefer to take the next trade on this one. If I can, I don't know. I need to. Support. Oh, let me see. Let me see if I can copy this. Hold on a second. So what I'm trying to figure out is how I could take my next trade on this account instead of this one. Let me log out. Merge tools, resources. Yeah, I'm almost at the point to where I'm ready to start buying multiple, like in another 4 months, 90 days. Give myself 90 days. So I can continue the pace that I'm on. To see if price gonna come back down and create this zone of support. But what I'm gonna do is come back here. I'm gonna log out and log back in to see. Because yeah, I really want to trade from the other account, so I can push this one to the profit target faster. Because this other one is still down. What was it bought yesterday? So let's log out real fast. Let's log out. Let me see. Let me log out. Try to see if I can log back in to this other. I don't know if it is. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Shit. Or is it? Or do I? Okay. Hold on. I think I know how to do it. I think I gotta log out. Oh, wait a minute. It's right here. Let's go, bruh. Yeah. Okay. Hey, we on. All right. Yeah, I'm taking my next trade on this account, the other account, but counts easily. Yeah, I might. I'm trying to buy another account and see if I can link these last two accounts. If I can link these last two, how that 2 and 1, we could probably do some things with that. We could probably do some things if I can link these last two. I'm gonna buy another account and then I'm gonna figure it out. But well, if I trade this one, then I can't link the other two because they got to be fresh accounts. Shit. All right, I ain't ready to link yet. I'm on accounts. But this is a fresh account, so we trading off this fresh one. Let's try to see if we can push this into the profit target of 3,000 before the other one, because the other one is in some drawdown. Yeah, we're not getting no pullback, bro. Yeah, I want it to be right here. You gotta be in the zone right there. Price come back down, tap our zone, give us a pivot signal. We in there, bro. Actually, I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna change it. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a reversal and a pivot signal, and we in there. Yeah. How many fucking alerts do I got? Do I got too many? I don't need to erase one. I got an alert on YouTube. What's going on with E? Another buy opportunity. I came back down in the zone. Did I miss this one? What time is this? 9 a.m. Shit. No, that wasn't 12 minutes ago. Yeah, EU giving us the same, bro. EU more cleaner though. Oh my god, I should have took the trade on Forex, bro. The exact same setup. Look at this. Watch this. Oh my god, it's way more cleaner. I drew this on last night. I think I drew this box last night. It's way more cleaner. Break, retest, skyrocket. Yeah, we missed this. I probably, oh man, that's way more cleaner than the other one. Look at this other one. Look how clean this look. Look how clean this look, and then look at this one for the same 2 hour. Look at this. I mean, this one just one. It's one. It's one stair. It's a little bit more structure wise. So you got two resistance points right here. Then it comes up and then it comes back down. Creates support and skyrockets. Okay, that's the game. Y'all want to trade? God bless you. But for my failing trades and in years in the market, I like it's my entry. And they ain't giving us another entry. They got a little small little support right here, I guess, but that ain't to see more and more of a slope, man. What a slope at, bro. They giving us patience of being a fucking trader, bro. Patient. That thing ain't slowing down. Boy, that thing just running. Damn. I caught it. I should have jumped in when I seen it right here, but that's like shit, at least like, and you didn't even have to go that heavy. Probably like two contracts. I probably put another two contracts on. No, I probably would have been scared. I probably would have put one. But still though, I probably would have got something out of it. Because we still up $74 and 50 cents for the week. Fridays are iffy. I'll try to. Well, it might be an opportunity during London session tonight. Usually Thursdays are really good. Morning because it can be weird. I know people be trimming profits and the volume slightly be drying up, and there's a little bit more the weekend. You can easily get back profits on Fridays, so I'll be cautious on Fridays. Thursdays are usually good days if you can catch that entry. If you can catch that entry. All right, I'm gonna turn the music up. I'm gonna do a little bit of reading. Same book as yesterday, The Daily Stoic. who knew this when he imagined a utopia whereby philosopher king. I'm also reading a different book, Millionaire Success Habits by Dean Graziosi. I'm trying to finish this one, and then the next book I'll be reading. I'll show you. I'll show you the next book. This is, you get one passage every day for the whole year. Short, powerful, impactful. And then I'm trying to finish this one up. I'm like halfway done. And then I'll be reading a different psychology book on reading people, reading and understanding people. Like a psychology of how to read people and their intentions and stuff. I don't know. Pretty good title though. Understanding people. Understanding human psychology and your own psychology. Today's content actually isn't exciting at all. Yesterday's content was a little bit more exciting, but I got about 2 more hours to leave the house. We got 4 hours, 38 minutes before the market closes. So there's still opportunity. There's still opportunity. We just gotta wait for it. I prefer to see some type of pullback around these realizations. I hate I missed my 2 entries, man. But that's the game, man. That's the game, bro. The market will give you. The market always gives us chances to make money. We just gotta capture. Actually, this 15-minute doji. You know, it don't even matter. It don't matter. We know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting on the pullback. I'm going to the test space and say, well, there could be more. There could have been more. Could have been more. man. Official doji close? Maybe we get a reversal? Maybe? Is the bull run over for now? People taking profit? I hope they taking profit. I would be. You have to be on the right side of the market. We taking profit right now. God damn. Got to be a monk. A monk. Meditate. You got to meditate, be a monk trader around here. Continue. Oh, yeah. Oh shit. We didn't hit a YouTube ad, my boy. Okay. Are we finally starting to see some bullish momentum? Got the focus on the candlesticks, not the balance. Focus on the price action, not the P&L. I'm like, wait, starting to get sleepy. Shit, it's time for a nap. Sitting here waiting for this damn pullback, bro. Wolves can't be in control forever, my boy. They can't be in control forever. Yeah, at some point. They got enough money. Let me get some. Actually, you know what? Where do I have a? Instead of a long. So, wish I had one of those chairs that lean back. Man, I go to sleep, bro, or lay down, close my eyes a little bit till the alarms go off. But I'm just gonna mosey up and chill right here. Did a little bit of reading. Read my daily passage. Still got to work out today. Trading is a boring profession, bro. Profession. This is what's gonna make me a millionaire. I signed up for it. I committed a lot of time to it, and I know through this skill set, I'm gonna create some very, very good months for myself. Talking 20,000 plus. Once I start scaling up for sure. And at that point, I might even trade from the 15 minute and the 2 hour only. That would probably be the smarter thing to do instead of uh, 3 minutes. Just for more information. The first candle. First doji. Actually thinking about laying down 15 minutes. I'll put a 15 minutes. I'll be back in 24 minutes. Maybe price will come back down a little bit in our direction. All right, I'm back. Still no pullback. My God. Still no pullback. I ain't get no sleep. It was just good to unplug. Still not the pullback I was looking for. As you can see, we did make a small pullback right here. We came up. We used this as support right here. This was the latest support. We didn't get a deeper pullback. I was hoping for a deep down, and I'm gonna stand on that. I'm gonna stand on it, even though I missed this one. Support right there. Resistance. That's okay. That's okay. You got to be okay with missing trades. You got to be okay with missing your entries. I should have jumped in right here. When I was thinking about jumping in, I should have jumped in. I shouldn't have been contemplating, or I should have just jumped in. That was my fault. Because this would have been the trade for the day. I would have been done. Trading day would have been over. Video would have been over. It would have been over. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get an entry. I need a pullback. I need to see some red candles. I need to see some red candles. I need to see people taking profit. Of course, they did on the 3 minute. I'm sure 3 minute looks a little bit cleaner. Yeah, pivots right here. I could have taken an entry right here. Put my stop loss above that second pivot right there. The 3 minute zones. 3 minute zones aren't as strong as the 15 minute zones. So we already tried that once and got spanked. Oh, man. Yeah, this is a breakout and a retest right here. 3 minute breakout, retest. At this started to push where I could have got in. Lost under here. No opportunities. Gonna give me plenty of opportunities for me to make more trades. If I don't make a trade today, I'm perfectly okay with that. I'll come back probably London session tonight to see if I could catch a move in London.
Apartment in New Jersey, she noticed 3 men on top of a van posing for pictures with the towers burning in the background.
And I could see that they were like happy. You know, they didn't look sharp. You know, they didn't look sharp.
The witness called police, who stopped the van hours later and arrested 5 men. All 5, it turns out, were Israeli. They were turned over to the FBI. Sources tell ABC News during a check of national security databases, some of the men were listed as having had connections with Israeli intelligence. The men said they were just taking pictures at the time. They said they worked for a company called Urban Moving. The FBI obtained a search warrant for the company's offices. Simply abandoned. Almost everything was left behind. In jail, the 5 Israelis were repeatedly interrogated and given lie detector tests.
Yuval Lapid is a counterterrorism advisor to the U.S. Congress. But was once a spy for Israel's Secret Service Mossad. He says Berlin was a front company for Israeli intelligence.
Were identified as Mossad agents.
problems are our problems. The Palestinians are the problem.
FBI reports confirmed that the men were not taking somber pictures of a horrific event. When their 76 pictures were developed, they revealed the men had indeed been celebrating, smiling, hugging each other, and high-fiving in a lighter room with the burning tower in the background. They lied to the police about where they had been that morning. They were carrying plane tickets for immediate departure to different places around the globe. The FBI confirmed that 2 of the men had ties to Israel, that they had for the Mossad. The FBI reports show how it was happening and when they arrived at the parking lot. Oded Elner even said they had arrived there shortly after 8 a.m., which would have been 45. That they had arrived there shortly after 8 a.m.
Yeah, now that we see the 3 minute, we missed multiple opportunities. There's a zone right here. Like, come on. So there's a 3 minute zone right here. There's 3 minute zone right here. Longer on the 3 minute chart anymore after this. But yeah, we missed multiple opportunities to catch in on this bullish momentum. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. I might be ending this video because I gotta make a run. I gotta make a run. I gotta leave the house for a bit. Yeah, I might cut this video short. I might look for an entry later on today, but I actually got to make a run in like 30 minutes or so. That's the video today. We missed multiple entries. Regret this one right here. And a pullback to maybe one of these. If I get a pullback to maybe one of these zones, I might jump in a little later, but look like price just running. So I'm gonna cut the video. That's all I got for you today. Nothing transpired. I should have. This was the entry I should have jumped in when I initially, right? Or I didn't get paid any price, right? Like this video. Subscribe for more live, real trading from a real trader and stock investor.